I'm Emmett Combs with BMG Tax Professionals and Accounting. Today I'd like to discuss a topic called Mcc Program. Mcc is a mortgage credit certificate. So what is an Mcc? A mortgage credit certificate allows a home buyer to claim a tax credit for some portion of the mortgage interest paid per year. It's a dollar-for-dollar reduction against the federal tax liability. Note that a mortgage interest credit provided by an Mcc is a non-refundable tax credit. Therefore, home buyers must have tax liability in order to take advantage of the tax credit. Okay, advantages of an Mcc. The Mcc reduces the home buyer's federal tax liability, increasing the amount of disposable income available to purchase a home. An Mcc has the potential of saving the Mcc holder thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Now, a home buyer can claim the Mcc tax credit for as long as they occupy the home purchased as their primary residence and pay interest on the mortgage loan. An Mcc can be used with almost any type of mortgage, including adjustable rate mortgages. However, it cannot be used with tax-exempt bond programs. Now, Mcc program provide home buyers with the opportunity to buy a home by keeping more money in their pockets each month. Okay, question number 2. What is the difference between a tax credit and a tax deduction? A mortgage interest deduction differs from a mortgage tax credit in a number of ways. For example, all home buyers, regardless of income, may take a mortgage interest deduction, whereas mortgage tax credits are only available to the Mcc holders. Now, a tax deduction or a tax deductible expense affects the taxpayer's income tax. A tax deduction represents an expense incurred by the taxpayer. There are different amounts that you can subtract or deduct from your gross income when a taxpayer computes his or her income tax. But as a result, the tax deduction will overall lower the taxable income. A tax credit is a similar concept, but it is different in that it reduces the tax owed rather than reducing the taxable income. This amount of tax savings is not dependent on the rate the taxpayer pays. Now, the Mcc provides the tax credit based on the percentage of the mortgage interest paid annually. Thus, the remaining interest paid annually may still be taken as a tax deduction when the taxpayer computes his or her income taxes. Question number 3. How do I qualify for the Mcc program? Now, in order to qualify for an Mcc program, you must meet certain requirements which are established by the Internal Revenue Service regulations for the Mcc programs. Just to name a few, you have to be an eligible borrower as published in the individual Mcc program fact sheet. You have to be a first-time home buyer. Or not had ownership interest in a home as a principal residence during the last 3 years. Or even if you're not a first-time home buyer, you may be eligible to claim the Mcc program, to use the Mcc program, if you are purchasing a home located in a federally designated targeted area. The home's purchase price must not exceed the maximum allowed purchase limits, and just to name a few. Also, the other requirements that may be established for each individual Mcc program by the issuer or program administrator. So if you have any questions regarding the Mcc program or being eligible and even applying, you can contact the NHF at a toll-free number at 866-643-4968 for the complete program guidelines. Okay, question number 4. How do I apply for an Mcc credit for the Mcc program? Okay, you may apply for the Mcc at the same time that you make your formal application for a mortgage loan through an approved lender. Now, to get a list of approved lenders, you can call the NHF toll-free number at 866-643-4968. Now, you want to make sure that when you speak with the lender, you let him or her know that you are interested in the Mcc program, and they will verify that you qualify for the Mcc program and walk you through the entire process. So if you have any other further questions, please give us a call at 305-792-8867 and ask for myself, Emmett Combs, or you can visit us on the web at bmgtaxes.com. Also, follow us on Instagram at bmg_taxes. Thank you.